Today I will be showing you on how to type the Apple logo on iOS. So let's start. First, we go to Safari. Okay, then we go to Google. And then we search Apple symbol. Okay? Then afterwards, we go to any website that has the Apple logo or Apple symbol in its content. So for example, we go to www.imore.com. Okay, now we go and press that. And then there are, as you can see, there are a lot of Apple symbols, logos in its content. So for this, we'll just select, okay, select and then copy. Now we just remove the highlight. And then now we go to settings. And then we go to general and then keyboard and then text replacement. Now, as you can see here, I also made text replacements for the following symbols. So now we go and as you can see on the top right corner there is a plus sign. Now you press that and then you paste that and then delete the undesired words. And then what is your shortcut? Now the shortcut is the word that you will be using, okay, to replace the symbol and to signal, okay, the appearance of the symbol. So APPL for me, Apple. And so now let us test it. So for example, let's go to messaging. Okay, now APPL. And there you go. We can even send it. And so that's all. I hope you have learned something about it. Thank you.